So, in the session, we are going to discuss the question number 13, 14, and 15. That is, out of the 25 questions, as I told, so we can directly start without wasting our time. Odd positive integer, okay, and it is of the form 8q plus 1, 8q plus 3, 8q plus 5, and 8q plus 7. So, 8. So, we know that as per Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to b, r less than b. That means our reminders should be a value less than b always. So as our b value is 8, so b value is 8, so equation will become a is equal to 8q plus r, and we know that our b value is, r value is less than b, so r can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till 7 only it can take. Suppose if r is equal to 2, we can substitute a is equal to 8q plus 0. So it is actually 8q. So it is a value anytime multiple of 8. So we know that it can be even only. 8 into 7 is 56. 8 into 9 is 72. Any number. 8 into 8 is 64. Any number we know that it is even only. If r is equal to 1, it will be a is equal to 8q plus 1. So we know that already 8q is an even number. So even plus 1 will be odd. So this is our category. When odd come, we can know that it is 8q plus 1. This is satisfied. Now we will check for if r is equal to 2. So our a value will be 8q plus 2. We know that till here it is already even. Even plus 2, it will be even only. We don't want to consider that. Next, if r is equal to 3, it will be a is equal to 8q plus 3. This is even only. So even plus, this is an odd. So it will be odd definitely. So 8q plus 3, it is of odd. That also satisfied. Remaining, if r is equal to 4, it will be in the form a is equal to 8q plus 4. We know that till here it is even, so plus 4 it will be an even number. We don't want to consider that. Again, if r is equal to 5, a is equal to 8q plus 5. Till here it is even, plus it is an odd number, so this is also odd. So as it is odd and 8q plus 5, this is also satisfied. If r is equal to 6, a is equal to 8q plus 6, till here it is even, this will be even, we don't want to consider that. If r is equal to 7, this is the last probability, a is equal to 8q plus 7, this is even, plus odd, it will be odd. So that is also satisfied. So what we can say, any positive number can be written in the form 8q plus 1, 8q plus 3, 8q plus 5 and 8q plus 7, where q is any integer. 14. Prove that square of any positive integer is of the form. Square it is given. So, as we know, 4q plus 1, etc. given. We know that a is equal to bq plus r is our Euclid's division lemma. And b value is 4. So, r can take the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So, a is equal to 4q plus r is our equation. So, we can substitute each value. If r is equal to 0, a will be 4q. We want square. So, a square will be 4q the whole square, that is 16q square. So, it can be written in the form 4 into 4q square. So, it is in the form of, if q is any integer they have said. So, it is in the form of 4q. Any positive integer. So, it is in the form of 4q. We proved it. Now, if r is equal to 1, what will happen? A is equal to 4q plus 1. So, a square will be 4q plus 1 the whole square. This is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, because a plus b the whole square. So, it will be 16q square, that is a square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into 4q is 8q, plus 1 square. So, here I can take 4 out. So, what will remain there? 4q square plus 2q. I can close the bracket and 1. So, this is our q value. So, it is also in the form of 4q plus 1. So, this is also satisfied. Two more things are there. If r is equal to 2, a will be what? 4q plus 2. A square will be what? 4q plus 2 the whole square. So this is also a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 4s are 16q plus 4. So here overall I can take 4 out. So it will be 4q square plus 4q plus 1. So this together is q. So it is also in the form of 4q. Again one more thing is remaining. A is if r is equal to 3. Our last chance, that is 4q plus 3. So a square will be what? 4q plus 3 the whole square. It is also in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 16q square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24q plus 3 3s are 9. So this I can rearrange as 24q plus, I can split 9 as 8 plus 1. So this, from this together I am taking 4 common. So 4 into 4q square plus 6q plus 2, and this one is out. So this is also in the form what? 4q plus 1. So in all these cases, because only opportunities are till r is 0, 1, 2, 3. So up to this value, it is satisfied that either it is in the form 4q or it is in the form 4q plus 1 for any positive integer where q is some integer. So I hope everybody liking my session. So please do like it if you liking the session, and please do suggest your comments in the comment box. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe it and please do click the bell icon nearby. Thank you everyone. So we can meet tomorrow. We can discuss the balance of the session. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.